Hello, you lovely people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Prachi and I make videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle category. So, if you're new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you get notification every time I post a new video. So, today's video is going to be about a random haul, things I have recently bought here and there. So this is not going to be a specific clothing or makeup or jewelry haul. So it's a mix of here and there pieces. So firstly, I'm going to be showing few products in makeup that I have recently bought. So all of them are from Mars. So it's not sponsored. Very first disclaimer that I should give. So the very first thing that I bought is this uh gloss lip balm. I'm wearing it right now. You guys can see it's a really pretty shiny lip gloss. It's tinted, it has got some color, so I picked this shade. So it's from Mars. It's Click Stick Gloss Lip Balm. It's in the shade 04 Cherry Glaze. Its key features says it has high shine, highly pigmented, enriched with cocoa butter. So obviously it has got a really nice shine. It feels like I'm wearing a lip gloss on top of a lipstick. So I really love this kind of products which gives, you don't have to use multiple products to get that shine. For example, I have to put on a lipstick, then another lipstick to get a particular shade, and then top it up with lip gloss. So this is one product that you can get, and the packaging is also really nice and cool. So this is how it comes. So you open it, and to push the product you don't have to roll it. You just like do like this and apply it. Just make sure you don't take out a lot of product. Take out only that much you need. So yeah, the shade is also really pretty. I absolutely loved it. Okay, moving on to the next product. As you guys know, I love Mars Kajal. I have got it in the shade nude earlier and I still have it. And right now I have got it in black shade. So it's Mars Kajal in Velour Black. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. So I shopped it offline basically, but I will definitely put up the link of all the products whichever you want in the description box below, and also only of the products that I could get the links or provide the links. Don't expect to get the links of the products that are not available online, or maybe I cannot share. So yeah, moving on. So yeah, this is how the packaging as usual, with a velvety this box. We get a sharpener and a nice kajal. The kajal is really nice. So if you are looking for a good kajal, you can get it. Already used bit once or twice. So as you guys can see, really nice. How do I show? See, really the lights are making it little lighter, but it's really dark and pigmented, and also a little smudge proof. It is smudging. So right after applying, okay, so this one I just applied and just rubbed it. So if you want that smoky kind of effect, you can apply and just rub it. And if you want to keep it like long lasting, wait for some while and see. This one is not spreading. I'm like really harshly rubbing it. See, very little product has come out. Wait, I will swatch for the lipstick as well. Sorry, lip gloss. So see, just one swipe and how pigmented it is. I absolutely love it. Even you can get this one for like daily use, and it's affordable also, I guess. So there was one offer going on, buy 3 get 1 free. So I picked it from that store shop. What do we call it? Is the price not written on this? Okay, I'll pop it here, the price. Okay, moving on to the next. I really wanted to try this mini palette since wedding seasons are about to come again and also festivities are about to come again. So this will be a really handy palette. So for weddings, very handy neutral palette. So you don't get so much of time when you are about to attend a festival or when you are about to attend a wedding as well. So oh my god, so pretty palettes. I just look at it, so pretty. The shades are neutral. You get golden shimmer, you get three shimmers and three matte shades, all perfect. So if you're, you can do like neutralize and put on the shimmers as per your outfit. So basically you get three shimmer colors in your outfits majorly. To match it up with any color, you can either go with golden, silver, or the copper shade. So include anyone. Just do your upper lids with any of these. Also, if you want to go with neutral, you can use this light shades. If you want that smoky kind of effect, you can get your kajal with this, like pack your kajal with this one. Use this shade right here and use the kajal for that smoky effect, and this palette and one kajal can do wonders for your wedding or festive look. So this is a really handy, small, beginner friendly kind of palette. I am going to be digging into it very soon, and I hope I make a video. So yeah, really cute, handy and pretty palette with really pretty shades. So it's Mars Imperial eyeshadow palette. Okay, so I got to pick one product with three products that I bought. So I picked this one since I have oily skin. You can see all this oil. This is not some product or anything. This is natural oil that comes out of my body or face, you can call it. So that lady showed me this Mars Oil Blotter Gel Compact, made for everyone, gender, skin tone. So this is the product. So basically this does the job. You can like pat here and it will mattify your oily skin. So if again, if your oily skin, even if you're male or female, anyone, it's for gender, sorry about it, it's gender neutral. So if you're oily skin, you just want to just get this oil absorbed and have that matte finish on your skin, you can use this one. This is a really nice product. Again, wait, I will show you guys. Even on top of makeup, for example, you have been wearing the makeup since the whole day and now you want like freshen up makeup, so you can just use this as compact. So basically this is not, this doesn't come in any shade. This is a gel like product. Wait, I will show you. Let me just open it. Okay, so come out. Okay, so this is how the product looks like. Okay, so this is how it opens. You get the product here and then you get a mirror and a nice puff here. So you dab it on this, take good amount of product and like, can you see? But I'll pick more. Can you see this side and this side? The difference, the shine is completely gone. This side it's still remaining. Wait, I will do here as well. See? Only this cheek is shining now. I'll do it here as well so that my whole face looks neutral. See, now all the oil is gone and we can just keep it back and shed it. So we can use this mirror as well. Again, this is a really pocket friendly, travel friendly compact that you can keep in your bag if you're traveling, or if you're attending a wedding, you cannot carry a very big bag with makeup products in it, so you can carry this one. This is like gel based and doesn't have any particular shade, so anyone can use this. So on top of the makeup, or someone who is getting a lot of oil, with time to time they can use this if they have to shoot or do something. So this is such a hit product at such affordable price. uh it's not written in this. Oh, okay, for 399. It offers even right now on Nykaa Pink, uh on Nykaa sale. Basically, you can get it for less price. So I will put the link in the description box again. So don't forget to check it out. Okay, moving on to the next product, it's body care. I was out of stock for roll-ons and I really wanted to try a new one. So I have picked this one from Nivea again. I was using the one from Nivea only, the very basic variant, I guess. So I'll pop the image here, which one I was using. So this is from Nivea, Pearl and Beauty Radiance Smooth Beautiful Even Tone Underarms. White Pearl, 0% alcohol, 72-hour deodorant. So this is the product I really wanted to try. And I also kind of liked its fragrance. So let's try and we'll see how this will perform. Okay, so we are done with makeup and skincare, body care kind of things. Now moving on to jewelry. I have picked few jewelries recently and I really wanted to show you guys what all I have picked. So these are really kind of trendy kind of pieces that I was eyeing since a really long time, but all these jewelries were really expensive that I was not able to buy it, and I was avoiding that I might find cheaper pieces. So now I ended up getting them. So the very first thing that's trending are stacks, and I really wanted to do this and get this and wear this and make like good outfits and everything, and I was missing on this trend, and I love stacks. I'm really happy that they are back in trend. See how pretty. So I picked this colors because this can go with any outfits. Majority of the outfits this can cover. So with this one also, this looks pretty enough. See, so I will be wearing it and doing this haul now, but this tag doesn't look good. Okay, so yeah, so this comes with like stack of 3, one golden. You can like mismatch here and there with other stacks as well. So again, this is a really pretty stack. These were trending back then we were really kids. We used to see like the young girls wearing it and stacking like big bangles, and I used to feel so fascinated by all that. And right now again it's in trend, a little different kind of bangles, but I'm loving it. I am going to get to wear these bangles now. Now I'm going to get to wear such stacks. So yeah, really happy. Okay, moving on to the next piece of jewelry that I got. It's a bracelet again, hand jewelry. So these kind of bracelets are like really trending. The shopkeeper claimed this is anti-tarnish. So I hope it is anti-tarnish. They told about their page as well, but I forgot. So yeah, this is how it looks. Like you can wear black outfit and go with golden jewelry, like all statement jewelries, and it will look really good. And this is in flowerish shapes again, really pretty. Okay, so I picked 2 ring as well. I really wanted to get these kind of rings, and again, like, can you guys see? Wait, I will wear it and show you guys. Like, see, can you guys can see how pretty? Like the other gold rings, single ones that I have, really small ones, I can stack it here and there. For example, I wore it in this finger, and I can stack other fingers with small rings, and my fingers are going to look really good. So yeah, I got these 2, not this one, ignore this one. I got these 2 rings. I hope it's capturing. Again, really pretty. If you are getting somewhere such rings for like good or affordable price, make sure to pick them, because these are gonna be handy for styling a lot of your outfits, or even casually you can wear it on your fingers and your fingers are gonna look really bomb, and you don't need to wear even bracelets or anything. So your fingers can become a showstopper. Come on, get out of my hand now. Moving on to few earpieces that I got. So the very first one, what I will show you guys. So he claimed all these are anti-tarnished. So I was really happy. Are you ready for the first piece of earrings? Here we go. So these, is it focusing? Okay, so these are the first pair of earrings I absolutely loved. As I saw them, I picked them instantly. These are really classy, funky kind of piece that you can pick. Like, more of classy these pieces are. Like, you can just wear these earrings and make your earrings a statement piece, and these are gonna look bomb. These are even very good qualities, have a good weight of them. This is how it looks, a really nice 8, you can call it, or infinity kind of shape. So these are going to be classic piece in my jewelry collection. So yeah, it was worth investing, I hope. Okay, moving on to the next piece. I really wanted a statement studs as well in golden only. So I picked these studs. I hope it's capturing. So again, these can be a really classic studs you can wear with anything, your casual outfits or your like dressy outfits. So it was really important to have a good studs as well. So if you're looking for something, make sure to invest in such good jewelries. Okay, moving on to the last but not the least piece that I have got is this neck piece. I hope it captures. So this is a really dainty neck piece. Okay, so this is a really dainty kind of neck piece. Like if I'm going for a really wide neck top or something, I can like really nicely wear it and my neck won't look really bland or really like heavy with a lot of jewelries. So this is even for daily wear, like I can go with this, but I'm saving it for some good outfits or some good occasion to wear because I'm a saver. Okay, moving on. Yeah, so this is how it looks. They had more different colors, but I picked specifically this green one because I loved this one a lot. So yeah. Okay, moving on to the last piece. That's something in clothing that I wanted to get. So I had like few leggings from Bliss Club and I really love their comfort, their stretch, their fit on my body. So I really wanted to invest in one more pair in different color, since you might have seen my short and heard the story that I fell in that particular blue color leggings. Oh, and it got torn very little bit from the knee. If you guys have any tips how I can repair and wear it, not to the gym or make use of it, I was thinking to make it a nice short. I can cut from the torn part above the knee and make it a nice cycling kind of short. But my heart breaks because I paid a lot, the whole amount. I didn't bought it on sale even, so my heart breaks cutting it. So it's still lying in my wardrobe. So I got this another one. So this is the one. So they have changed a little bit here and there. So this is the leggings. I have worn it once, so don't judge me. So this is how it. Sorry, I'm shaking you guys. Okay, so this is how it looks. I really wanted to get in this specific color because darker colors are something I am comfortable right now wearing, but I really wanted to go for those light colors and mismatch. Let's get fit first, really nicely, and then we will get more good color leggings and in different uh, variant, if I'm not wrong. So yeah, this is how it looks. Okay, so it's ankle length kind of. So basically they have got nice ankle length kind of it. They have mentioned their like heights as well. If you're above 5'4", you come in tall variant, and 5'4" or below 5'4", something like that. You can check the website or their app. So I got the tall variant. So this is how long it is. So it comes with pocket on both sides, so you can keep your mobile keys or anything. And also it comes with two pockets right near your tummy, so you can keep your cash, your earbuds or anything like that tiny things. So early and behind we get this Bliss Club logo. Okay, so the earlier piece that I had, it was also in bluish color, a little different than this. So it had a zip here, I liked those more than this. I don't know why they did these changes, or maybe this is some other variant. They stopped making that one. But yeah, that one had only one pocket here. Other things were same. The only thing was here zip, so you can keep your cash or something here that you want to carry to the gym and don't want to lose. So zip was a secure option, but this is also good. Gives a really nice fit to your body, like cinches on right places. This waist doesn't roll down on your tummy even if you have tummy, so this also sits really well on your tummy. And what else? And yeah, color is also really good. You can style it with like some really funky colors, or if you want to play safe, you can go ahead with white. So yeah, that is it. And also guys, if you want me to make a Bliss Club review haul, so please make sure to comment down below. And yeah, also let me know what else you would love to watch on my channel. I would love to make those kind of videos that you guys want to watch. And if you like this video, please make sure to like this video, comment down below, and share this video with friends, family. And I will see you in my next video next time. Till then, thank you for watching. Bye bye.